I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious orange chicken.
China.
Hey Salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making orange chicken, which is an American Chinese dish. It has a sweet spicy flavor infused with a bit of the orange. I'm gonna serve this orange chicken with egg fried rice. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with the chicken. I'm using here thighs. You could also use breast instead. Personally, I prefer thighs for this recipe. Make sure to get rid of any excess fat from the thighs. The fat isn't very pleasant on the chicken. You want to cut the chicken into strips, and then we're going to cut it into bite-sized pieces. This is exactly what we're looking for, beautiful bite-sized pieces. Now remove the chicken into a bowl and wash this board straight away. We don't want any germs to be hanging around. Now let's marinate the chicken with white pepper. You will see Chinese cooking uses a lot of white pepper. It was some of the garlic and onion powder, some of the red chili, salt, and finally a good splash of light soy sauce.
Perfect.
Using your hands, give this a really good mix. Now cover and let this marinate for at least an hour. Let the chicken absorb some of the soy sauce and the seasoning flavor. For the sauce, first of all, we're gonna start with zesting an orange. It's around a tablespoon and a half. Once done, just remove it onto your plate. And now we can juice the oranges. You will need around 4 to 5 oranges. That should give you a cup of orange juice. Make sure to properly squeeze out that pulp from the oranges. Grab yourself a bowl. In goes our fresh orange juice. And with the orange zest. For more flavor, I'm using a chicken stock. And with the light soy sauce. Some of this dark soy sauce as well to have a bit more color. Going in with some of this oyster sauce. I like a bit of this ketchup in there. It with the rice vinegar. It's gonna add a bit of the acidity that we're looking for. And finally in with the sugar. Now give this a really good mix. Some of these sauces already have salt in them, so there's no need to add salt. Have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. Set aside. We're also gonna be using some of these red chilies for the sauce. Slice up the chilies and remove all the seeds. If you like a bit more heat in there, then you can leave the seeds inside. Finally chop some of the garlic. And finally make a paste of ginger. Grab a small bowl in with a tablespoonful of corn flour. Hit with the water, give that a mix. Set aside. And now for the chicken dredge, grab your marinated chicken. Crack in 1 large egg. You could use egg whites instead if you're looking for a crispy light exterior. We're doing a tempura style dredge here. Hit with the corn flour. Oh my god, I made a mess. In America, this is known as cornstarch. Hit with the plain flour. Again, for the texture, I'm using here baking soda. Salt. Hit with the MSG. Now give this a really good mix with your hands and combine everything. Trust me, this is one of the best orange chicken that you guys gonna try. Touch of cold tap water and mix. Make sure there's no lumps in the batter. Now good batter is not too thick and not too runny. I've used around a cup of water and just a little bit more. This is exactly what we're looking for, look at that. And finally we're gonna add a light touch of oil in there and again give this a mix. The oil again will help with the exterior texture, so please follow this process. Alright, let's fry the chicken. Turn up the heat to around medium. We're gonna fry the chicken twice. The oil temperature first needs to be around 150-155 Celsius. Alright, with your chicken, make sure you properly coat it. You wanna do the chicken in batches, do not overcrowd. Fry for around 3 to 4 minutes and then remove. Just gonna slightly move them around, just making sure the oil is going everywhere. Alright, so that's exactly what we're looking for. Now we're gonna remove and drain them and then do a second fry.
Fire.
The second fry will make them crispy and will give us a nice golden brown color. Just drain them completely. And make sure to always clean this oil before you fry the next batch. Bismillah. The chicken looks absolutely amazing. We're not looking for a dark color at this point. Now let's start removing this. And now we're gonna fry this for a second time at a temperature of around 170 Celsius. The heat needs to be around medium high. Here with your chicken. Bismillah. We're looking for a nice golden brown color on the second fry. And it will also help us in removing the excess oil from the chicken. You wanna fry this until you have the perfect color, so there's no exact time. You can really feel it's more crispy now. And we get a more nice color on that. Look at that. Once you have the desired color and the oil has calmed down a bit, we're gonna start removing it. Look at the color on the chicken. Crispy from the outside and nice and juicy from inside. And now just continue with your next batch. So beautiful. You guys gonna absolutely love this orange chicken, trust me. Our mouth-watering crispy chicken bites. Done. Let's have a little taste.
You win.
These are perfect. And now let's prep the sauce for our orange chicken. Turn the heat to around medium. A good splash of oil in there. Here with your dried red chilies, garlic and ginger. Mix and saute them lightly. Here with your sauce. Smells amazing in the kitchen, you know, just like oranges. Bring the sauce to simmer now. Now you could use more or less of the sauce in your chicken, you know, it really depends how much sauce you like. Now when it starts to simmer, we're gonna throw in our corn flour slurry. slowly add that in and mix it. Should become nice and thick. And now just bring it to simmer again. And turn the heat down to medium-low now. Check for any seasoning. That's exactly what we're looking for. Turn off the heat and add in your chicken. Give that a mix. Oh, just look at that. Delicious orange chicken.
Oh, you can.
You like it saucy? A bit more chicken in there. Look at the delicious orange chicken. That looks so mouth-watering. Garnish with some of the toasted sesame seeds.
Fatality.
And some of the spring onion greens of a mouth-watering orange chicken. Done. It looks absolutely delicious. Can't wait to try this. You know what? I'm just gonna have a little taste. That is so delicious. For egg fried rice, turn up the heat to around medium-high with a good touch of foil. When the oil is nice and hot, and with the red chili garlic, spring onion whites, some of these green peppers. You want to lightly saute these for a few seconds. Oh, it smells amazing in the kitchen. Here with your eggs. You want to lightly scramble these. Now going in with your rice which were cooked yesterday. Give that a really good mix, and you want to break down any large chunks. A good splash of light soy sauce just on the outside. You can also throw in some of the oyster sauce if you like. And some of this dark soy sauce for a bit more color and more rich flavor. For the spices I'm using is some of the chicken seasoning, salt, white pepper, and some of the MSG. All go straight in. A really good mix that you want to fry up those rice and mix that seasoning. Here with the steamed vegetables now, and some of this fresh ginger. A bit more green pepper. Now give this a mix again, and you want to let this cook for a few more minutes. This is the best time to check for any seasoning as well. Trust me, these are one of the best egg fried rice that you guys gonna try. Just a bit more soy sauce. Wow, it smells amazing. Now just turn off the heat. And finally you can garnish with some of the spring onion greens. Our steaming hot egg fried rice. Done. They look so delicious. They're gonna go perfect with our orange chicken. I'm just gonna have a little taste. That's perfect.
Flawless victory.
Alright, let's play this over with your delicious egg fried rice. Our mouth-watering orange chicken. Oh, it looks so good. Our amazing orange chicken with egg fried rice. Done. You guys gonna really enjoy this. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so delicious. Let's try the rice first, without the sauce, without the chicken. Has a beautiful aroma of spring onions, those beautiful vegetables, soy sauce. Amazing. Bismillah. Wow. Really delicious. It is so mouth-watering. Is it better than a takeout? I will let you guys decide. Alright, I want you over chicken now. Just look at that. Bismillah. Wow. You can really taste the flavor of orange in there. Has a slight kick to it and it's a bit sweet. Very impressive. As I mentioned before, this is one of the best orange chicken that you guys gonna try. Don't confuse this dish with Manchurian. That's a totally different dish. In my opinion, orange chicken is much better than a Manchurian. Just cause it's less sweet, has a nice citrusy flavor. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy with your family and friends. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.